Hi there, so today I'm going to show you how to make a QR code. So today we'll make a QR code, a QR code for the Screencast-O-Matic. So to start, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Screencast-O-Matic and then click on it. So we found where we can do the recording. So we're going to open a new tab. We're going to qrstuff.com. Now here you are going to, so we've got three different sections down here. One is the data type, the content, and the foreground color. The data type, because we're just using a website URL, we're just going to leave it the way that it is. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the Screencast-O-Matic. I'm going to highlight it, right click, copy it, paste it into the content section, change the color. So today I think we'll go with like a minty green. That sounds like fun. Ooh, nice and bright. When you're all finished with that, you're going to click download QR code. I don't have it currently on the screen, but it will show up on the bottom, and you will then have to open it, save as, and you will have your new QR code saved as a picture. Thanks so much for watching.